नहीं भी है, ठीक है। या फिर अगर कोई मेजर है, वो असॉल्ट विक्टिम है, तो उसके खुद के सिग्नेचर्स होना ज़रूरी है। प्लस अगर किसी ने एमएलसी अगर कभी देखी होगी तो उसमें लिखा होता है कि विक्टिम ने अपनी अंदरूनी जांच कराने से मना कर दिया, या विक्टिम की माँ ने या फादर ने उसकी अंदरूनी जांच कराने से मना कर दिया। ये सेक्सुअल असॉल्ट विक्टिम के केसेस में एमएलसी में बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट है कि क्या उसने अपनी कंसेंट दी है फॉर मेडिकल एग्जामिनेशन या नहीं। तो ये भी हमारे लिए क्रॉस एग्जामिनेशन का क्वेश्चन है फॉर एडवोकेट्स कि एमएलसी देखकर हम सबसे पहले ये देखें कि एक्चुअल में उसमें कंसेंट और सिग्नेचर जो है प्रेजेंट है या नहीं। अगर नहीं प्रेजेंट है तो इट वुड गो इन फेवर ऑफ द एक्यूज्ड। तो इसलिए हमारे को ये क्वेश्चन है जो कि हमें क्रॉस एग्जामिनेशन में जनरली पूछना चाहिए।
Once you identify the relevant evidences, then we go. I have seen this in some shows and all, right? Beside the evidence, you put all of that, mark the evidence, and then photograph it. Photography is also done in 3D. Then a scale is kept in order to give an idea about proper dimension of the evidence. A 500, this 50 ml bottle, right? If the photo is zoomed enough, a 250 ml bottle can look like a 500 ml bottle. If you have not been to the crime scene, it is very hard to tell, right? If the written part is not seen. So it is best always to have a scale beside. It is very hard to develop with a powder. We go for chemical techniques. Okay, cyanoacrylate, anhydrine, there are different techniques which will react to the sweat particle. Our sweat in our hand is responsible for making fingerprint, right? Different particle in our sweat, the chemicals in our sweat react to different chemicals and give a test that we do a different color. Different chemical agents react and give a specific color. Based on that technique, we have chemical reagents also that we utilize. Then we have in the crime scene investigation kit, other than all of that, we have specific small like collection packages. Depending upon different evidence, there is a different packaging material that we have to use. For wet, if I have collected blood from a crime scene on a gauze, like gauze in the sense cotton gauze. If I have taken it, then I need to dry it properly. If it is a wet item, it is impossible to keep it properly, right? A wet item. So you dry it off, air dry it, and package it in a paper case. After on a firing case, we get an empty cartridge case. We collect it in a ziploc, add a little bit of cushioning so that these things does not rub together and make more marks and all that. Such things are done. If it is a knife that I am collecting from a scene, is it advisable to collect it in a paper bag? It will come out. Like on transport, it will come out of the other side. It is a sharp.
Mostly, like then with all the test cases that were given, we have collected fingerprints. Once this fingerprint comparison is done, all 7 places we have got the similar print. Sort of helpful in connecting. Same thing, right? Like there is a specific modus operandi. Like how they go around in a particular crime scene. What do they do in a scene? Some people go and eat food from the fridge. That is their way of doing it. Identifying that some people go and do all things unknown. The way they enter into the house. Right. All such things can be used to connect crimes that are suspected to be linked. It can be helpful in that way as well. So there are different branches in forensic science. Mainly there is fingerprint and question documents. Then there is physics, biology, chemistry, cyber forensics or digital forensics, forensic psychology. Like you name it, we have a different branch of forensic science dealing with such kind of evidences. I'll introduce every branch in short. So fingerprint, which you guys are going to learn in this 3 months. So fingerprints, you know how is it unique? Is it unique? Is fingerprint unique to everyone? Yes. 2 people have same fingerprints, can it be there? No. That is the uniqueness of fingerprint. Not that it does not change. First of all, it never changes. What you have when you were born is what you will have when you die. It never changes throughout time. Okay, yeah, there can be permanent, injuries or something that can happen. Other than that, for a person, no human being have ever been found to have, or no two human beings have ever been found to have similar print also. Not that it is changing throughout the time also. So that is the unique. But DNA, like when you look into DNA, two people can identify the same collective, then put in that particular or effective test on such things in order to disapprove or prove your, what to say, the definitive test that is necessary to prove a fact. Application on all of that or the combination of all such things is forensic science. What is the significance of forensic science?